original cappuccino frappe mixes don't have to be put in a blender in order to be enjoyed cold. You can also serve them up right over ice. Some of the mixes are standalones, such as the Mocha Glacier that already has chocolate and coffee in it, or the Indian Chai Latte that has the tea in it and is ready to be enjoyed. Other bases get to be customized by you, and you're only limited by your imagination. The White Chocolate Symphony, for instance, with a little hazelnut and some fresh espresso, makes for a decadent white chocolate hazelnut mocha. One of my favorite things about the original cappuccino frappe mixes is that they're not just limited to frappes. I can do smoothies, I can do hot drinks, I can even do drinks over ice. So right now we're going to do an iced vanilla chai latte. And I'm just going to start by using 4 ounces of hot water. Now, I'm using water from the espresso machine, but you can get hot water from wherever's most convenient for you. Next, I'm going to add 1½ scoops of our vanilla chai mix. Now, the reason we started with hot water is so that we can dissolve the mix really well. So now we're going to give this a good stir. And once it's all dissolved, we're going to add 4 ounces of cold whole milk. Again, I'm using whole milk, but you could use non-fat, low-fat. You could even top the drink off with just water the rest of the way if you wanted as well, and it would still be mighty delicious. So 4 ounces of our cold milk. Next, we're going to take our glass and fill it up with ice. We'll pour our vanilla chai mixture right over. Finish it off with a straw. And we have a great drink for tea and coffee lovers alike. Original cappuccino frappe mixes are great because not only are they simple to use, but they also allow you to really customize drinks to satisfy your customer base. So right now, we're going to use the White Chocolate Symphony mix as a base for our white chocolate raspberry mocha over ice. So we're going to start by adding 2 customizable ingredients. We're going to add fresh shots of espresso, and we're going to add raspberry syrup. So I'm going to start by pulling our shots of espresso. Now, anytime you're running shots of espresso, make sure you follow good protocol. Wipe your portafilter, flush your group head, and always use fresh ground espresso. So today I'm running my shots at about 3/4 of an ounce each. So I need 4 ounces of total liquid before I add my White Chocolate Symphony to this. So I'm going to add 1/2 ounce of raspberry syrup, and then about an additional 2 ounces of hot water. And I'm just going to use hot water from the espresso machine. Now the reason for this is we need enough hot liquid to dissolve our White Chocolate Symphony mix, which we're going to add 1½ scoops of to this mix. Now we're going to give this a good stir and get it nice and dissolved. Once we've got this all mixed together, we're going to add an additional 4 ounces of liquid. I'm going to use some cold whole milk, but you can really use whatever you'd like. Non-fat, soy. You could even just top it off with more water if you'd like. We'll now go ahead, fill our glass with ice. Pour our liquid right over the ice. Give it a straw, and of course on a mocha, you've got to have a little whipped cream. Delicious, a white chocolate raspberry mocha over ice.